Hey guys, welcome back to the computer lab. It's me, Miss Armendariz, and I'm making an instructional video for you today so you'll know what you're supposed to be doing in the lab. So we're going to go here to the internet. We're going to go to Google Chrome. We're going to go to the school website, and then from there we're going to go to class link, and then you're going to log on. So I'm going to pretend to be a student. That way you'll be able to see exactly what your screen's going to look like. So I am logging on as a first grader. I'm going to go to learning.com. But for the rest of the grades, it should all look pretty much the same. So once it opens up, it'll show you your list of lessons. After, I think I left one lesson up here at the top for most of y'all. For first and second, it should be, no, for first grade, it should be the computer fundamentals lesson. For second grade, I think I just put these right here at the top. You should be looking for a lesson called Computational Thinking. There's one on patterns. There's one on directions. So you're locked into your lessons. Remember, just like in a game, you have to beat the level that you're on before you can move on to the next level. So it looks here like Miss Alice, that's whose account I'm on, she has completed the computer fundamentals lesson in first grade with a 100. Good for you, Alice. And now she's ready to start her computational thinking lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this so you can see what it's going to look like. So let's learn about computational thinking.
Computational thinking. Patterns. A pattern is a group of things that are arranged in a certain order by following the same steps over and over. Just about anything can be arranged to make a pattern. Letters, numbers, colors, shapes, coins. Or my favorite, cookies and cupcakes.
That's my favorite too.
The simplest kind of pattern just keeps switching back and forth between two different things, like this. AB, AB, AB. Or 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Or red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Or this tasty pattern. Cookie, cupcake, cookie, cupcake, cookie, cupcake. It's fun to say, and it's delicious. The steps that a pattern follows make up that pattern's rule. Patterns can follow any kind of rule, as long as the steps keep repeating. Our world is full of patterns, so you can find patterns all around you. A design that repeats over and over again is a pattern, like the stripes on a candy cane, or the posts on a picket fence. Another kind of pattern is something that happens over and over again in the same order, like the days of the week, or the months of the year, or the things we do in the same order every day. Wake up, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to school. There's a pattern to our daily activities. Let's find some patterns. Which of these are patterns? Choose two.
So remember, a pattern is something that repeats itself over and over and over again. So you're going to click on two of these that are patterns. So let's see, does this look like a pattern? You have breadstick, breadstick, croissant. Breadstick, breadstick, croissant. That looks like a pattern, so I'm going to choose that. Here's this one. Breadstick, croissant, pretzel. Breadstick, I don't even know what this is. We'll call it a muffin. Muffin, muffin. Does that look like a pattern? No, I don't think so either. How about this one? Pretzel, pretzel, croissant, breadstick. Pretzel, croissant. Does that look like a pattern? No, I don't think so either. So let's look at the last one. Muffin, pretzel. Muffin, pretzel. Muffin, pretzel. Does that look like a pattern? Yes, I agree. So we're going to click on that one.
You got it. These two repeat their steps over and over again to create a pattern. Some patterns follow the same steps, even if the things in the pattern are different. This pattern and this pattern follow the same steps. Two of the same, followed by one that's different, and then the steps repeat. The rule for both of these patterns could be called AAB AAB, because that tells us the steps that both patterns are following. We can use these steps with different things to create more patterns that follow the same rule. Look at this pattern of different colors. Which one of these other patterns follows the same rule?
Okay, so now we're trying to match the pattern. So we have to really look close. So it goes square, circle, pentagon, pentagon, square, circle, pentagon, pentagon. Or you can do A, B, C, C, A, B, C, C. So let's try that. So this would be A, B, A, B, A, B. Does that match this pattern? No, I don't think so either. This is A, B, B, A, B, B. Does that match this pattern? Nope, I don't think so either. A, B, C, A, B, C. Does that match? Nope, it sure doesn't. How about this one? A, B, C, C. A, B, C, C. Maybe. Let's do this one again. It was A, B, C, C, right? A, B, C, C. So what do you think? Does this one match? Yes, I think so too. So let's click on this one.
Great! That pattern follows the same rule as the colors.
Okay, so you get the
Since
idea,
patterns
right? So I'm going to pause it here and stop it. Exit. So once you're done with this one, then you can move on to this one on directions. And this one's a little more complicated, so you might need to really stop and think about it as you're doing it. But after that, you get to play coding games. You get to play these games here. And these are, it's called Code Monkey, even though you don't see a monkey right here, but they're a lot of fun. So I encourage you to finish these two levels, and then you can move on to the fun coding games. Okay, y'all have a good day.